Hi there, this is James K with Wright CNC. I'm the guy that you talk to 9 times out of 10 when it comes to dealing with your Wright CNC plasma table. Now, CNC plasma tables are great. However, without the proper customer support and technical support, what you have there is a large paperweight. Now, we have 2 different types of customer support options available with Wright CNC. One of them is our customer portal. It's largely self-service, so you can go in there and it'll show you how to set up the table. It'll also help you run all of the programs that we have on our table, as well as gives you tips, tricks, and resources to help improve your life as a CNC operator, because we've been at this for a little while and want to make sure that you can make the most money and the most out of your table, because it is an investment. The other form of customer support actually comes from our phone line and our email line. You can call or email me directly, and I'll go ahead and help you walk through any of the issues or any of the unique use cases that you may run into when running a CNC plasma table. Our customer support portal may cover a lot of things, but it doesn't cover everything. So I will gladly make a video, walk you through any question that you may have, because likelihood is if you have that question, someone else is going to have that question too, and we're going to help them by making that video and addressing that issue before it comes up in the future. That being said, Wright CNC is dedicated to growing with you, and part of that is our customer support with our portal and our phone and email direct line. That being said, you all have a great day. Thank you.